How to turn off safe mode without power button on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. In here, scroll down and click on system. After you click on system, click on accessibility at the top. In accessibility, click on accessibility menu. Turn this on, accessibility menu shortcut. Press on allow. Press on got it. Now you can simply swipe upwards for accessibility wherever you are. It may take some time, but you'll find two options: press and hold volume keys or swipe up two fingers. Select the one you prefer. And after you click on it, you'll find a button. From there, you can simply click on power off button and then safe boost. It's not fully available in my device, but you'll find it there. You can simply click on it, power off. This is how to turn off safe mode without power button on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.